Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Oanda not working issue. If your Oanda app is not opening, keeps crashing, freezing on the loading screen, not updating charts or showing login errors on your iPhone, don't panic. Most issues are caused by the minor connectivity problem, outdated software or the temporary app glitches. The good news is that these problems are usually easy to fix in just few minutes. First, Oanda is a real-time trading platform, so it needs a stable internet connection to load prices and execute trades. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong. You can go to your notification bar, check your Wi-Fi, and you can also turn on the airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off as well and refresh your network. If the charts are not updating or the trades are not loading, this is often the main issue. You can also force close and reopen the app. When you open to your own the app, you can simply force close it, and this clears temporary box without deleting any data. And step 3 would be updating your data. You can go to your app store and you can also search for your Oanda app, and over here you need to see if there's an update button icon, and running the latest version ensures the compatibility with the Apple's iOS system. If there's any update icon, simply tap on the update, and that is it. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.